and then I'm going to check to see what's going on with the video, that, how come you're not able to open it up, okay? Okay, God bless you. Okay, let's go over this. Question number 1, it says a diagonal. Go ahead and answer number 1, number 2, and number 3. So for number 1, a diagonal, what letter is that? Okay, diagonal is from vertex to vertex. It's letter what? Letter B, right? Letter B, C-E. Number 2, a side of a polygon. What letter would that be? C, letter C. A vertex of a polygon? Letter A. That's right. Okay, great. Now, a polygon is a closed flat figure made of straight segments that do not cross, this is the key right here, each other. Okay? Tell whether each figure it's a polygon. If it is, then name it by the number of sides. So what do you think? Number 4. Not a polygon, right? Nope, that's not a polygon. Number 5. It is a polygon. Yes. What's the name of that? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what's the name of that? Make sure you study all the names. It's an octagon. It's an octagon. Octagon. Let's put the name there. It's an octagon. 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 Okay. How about number 6? No. What's the problem with number 6? The sides cross. That's right. So no, that's not a polygon. Good. Now let's move down to number 7. A regular polygon has all sides congruent and all angles congruent. Tell whether each polygon is a regular or irregular. Concave has a pair of sides that make a cave in a polygon. Tell whether each polygon is concave or convex. So what do you think about number 7?
Concave.
It's concave. Okay, and what about regular or irregular? It's irregular. Okay, so let's go ahead and put here irregular. How come it's irregular? In order for that polygon to be regular, all sides should be congruent and all angles should be congruent. Are all sides congruent? No, right? No. How about concave or convex? Concave. 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 Right? Why is that concave?
Mis extraños plumas de colores.
En verdad, it's hard to write on this. What's that? No tengo lápiz, no me lo han regalado. Ah, sí, and it's better? Un lápiz, es mejor. Okay, so irregular, how come it's concave? ¿Verdad? See, if you draw the vertices, the outside vertex from this point to this point, is that diagonal outside? Is the diagonal outside if I connect those 2 points? It's outside, right? That diagonal is going to be outside. So if there's part of a diagonal, or at least a diagonal outside, then that is concave. Okay, so it's concave. Okay, how about number 8? How about regular or irregular? It's regular, right? So this is regular and is convex. Convex, yes. And how about number 9? That is irregular. Irregular. And it's convex, brother.
Miss, I like the little pen for this iPad thing. I'm gonna bring it.
Hey, that would be nice. And this is convex. Okay, number 10. What do you think about number 10? It says find the measurement of each interior angle. It's a hexagon. Okay, so we need to know the interior. What do we do? We need to add them up. Okay, so we need to add them up. How many A's do we have here? 5, 10, 15, and 4 is 19, 24. So this is 24A equals, okay, what's the sum of all the angles?
Oh, 183? No.
Wo-
36?
Yeah,
No.
180.
180. Okay, I need to use a formula n minus 2 times 180, isn't it? Right? Right. So how many sides in this polygon?
24 minus
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 minus 2, 4 times 180, 720. Okay, so then this is 720. Okay, so we add all the A's and then that equals to 720. Now let's go ahead and divide. Divide by 24. So how much is 720 divided by 24? That's equal to 30? Okay, so A is equal to 30. Okay, now let's go ahead and come back and let's go ahead and plug it in. If A is equal to 30, okay, the measurement of angle A, measurement of angle A, 60, okay. So A is 60 degrees. What about the measurement of angle B? Okay, well, B is the same as angle F, right? Angle F, and is the same as, is it 100? 150? See, angle B, angle F, angle B, angle F, and angle, which other one is the same? D? They're all equal to how much? 150. 150. 150 degrees. Okay? So the three of them are 150. Okay. What about the measurement of angle C? So it's 30 times 4 is 120. I definitely need those pens. Yes. And the measurement of angle E, it's 90 degrees. 90 degrees. That's right. Yes. Okay. So any questions about how to get the measurement of the interior angles? So far so good? Now let's go ahead and look at number 11. Are those interior angles or exterior angles? Exterior angles. That's right. So I have to think about the sum of all the outside angles equals what? 360. Okay, so then we need to get all the angles. 4 plus 3. What is 4 plus 3? 7 plus 2. 9 plus 1. 10 plus 5. 15. Okay, so now let's go ahead and put 15. 15n equals, how much is that? All of those supposed to be equal to? 360, because all the angles in any polygon add up to 360, right? Okay, so let's divide 360 by 15. 24? Okay, so then this is 24. Okay, so n, it says find the value of n. Well, n equals 24. And that's it. Next problem. Number 12. It says the measure of 4 angles of a pentagon equal, and they give me some measurements, 95, 80, 110, and 70. Find the measurement of the 5th angle. Okay, so what type of polygon is this? It's a pentagon, right? Okay, so then since it's a pentagon, that is 5 sides. That's right. So n minus 2 times 180. And this is 5 minus 2 times 180. 3. What is 3 times 180? 540. So it's 540 should be equal to, and then we add the angles, right? Let's add all of these angles. How much is 95 plus 80 plus 110 plus 70? 355. Okay, so then I'm going to go ahead and put here is 355 plus the 5th angle. I'm going to put here x, which is the 5th angle. So how do I solve for x? subtract, that's right. Subtract 355 from 540. So how much is x equals to? 185. 185. So the fifth angle would be 185 degrees. Okay, so let me go back and put that here. So this is 185. Any questions on how to find that missing angle? So far, so good? Okay. Go ahead and try number 13. Try number 13. Let me just put it over here. Okay, so how many x's was that altogether? 30? Okay, so then this is 30x. And is this interior or exterior? What are they talking about here? The measurement of 4 angles, right? And now we're talking about also being a quadrilateral, right? So if it's inside in a quadrilateral, what is supposed to be the sum of a quadrilateral? 4 minus 2, 2 times 180, 360, right? Okay, so then 360 is what I need to let that equal to. 30x is supposed to be 360 degrees. Then we divide by 30, and that is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12, right? X is equal to 12. And now it says, find the measurement of the largest angle. What would be the largest angle? The one with the 9, right? Okay, so then here, the one with the 9, 9 times 12, which is 108, 108. And that would be the answer. Any questions about that problem?
Yes.
Como acá en este de acá, we got that x was 12, right? X was equal to 12. We look at the x's, ¿y cuál tiene el número más grande? It could be 9x, 6x, 8, or 7. And the 9 is the one with the biggest. So instead of x, we put x is equal to 12, and that gives you the largest angle. Okay? Okay.